Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I laugh because I look super tanned, and it's because my foundation is way too dark for me today. I just wanted to look a little tanned, and this lipstick, whoo, it's definitely adding to that tan vibe. So let's get started. So I told you guys I was on a nail polish kick. It continues. I got base coat in Stardust, which is this beautiful silver glitter. It's super fine, and it is just stunning. I also got Bad News Babes, which is like an Oxford blood shade. Aries, which is currently what I have on some of my nails. This color here is Libra. Sagittarius, because I am a Sagittarius. And this is a really beautiful inky violet blue. And then the last shade I got is Western Daughters, which is a beautiful standard black burgundy shade. And I really love these nail polishes, guys. They last really long. They're really beautiful, great quality. So Sephora had a sale on the Marc Jacobs bronzers, and I really love the bronzer. I have Tantastic, and I wanted to get a shade that was one shade darker, so I got Tantalized. So they had a buy one get one 50% off, and I still got my discount on top of it. So I got the Omega Tantalized bronzer, and let me show you guys what it looks like. It's a great bronzer. It is slightly deeper than Tantastic, so it works out beautifully for me. I also got Tantastic in the Glow Away. This is supposed to be a bronzing body stick, but I saw horrible reviews on this. Basically, people were saying that it's really hard to blend out, and I would agree with that. I did try it like on my hand, and it just dries quickly, so it's very difficult to maneuver. But I have been using this with this Wet n Wild brush. So I'll take it, and then I will use it to contour my face. I could even contour the sides of my nose. And as long as I take a generous amount and stipple it in, I have no problems with patchiness. But you do have to be careful with this because it can be a little tricky to use. It can be a little patchy. And truth be told, even with the promotion and my discount, it was cheaper to do both. I just got a bigger discount on it. So otherwise I probably wouldn't purchase this on its own, but I do like it. But I do enjoy that I have found a way to work it. I actually have it on today. I have it on my cheeks, and I even used a little bit down my nose. Maybe that's why I look extra dark. I don't know. Okay, let's continue with the Sephora haul. This Crystal Rose Cream Foil Shadow by KVD Beauty is a product that I have been eyeing forever. It sold out quickly, and then I put myself on the waiting list, and one day I got an email saying it's back. So I quickly grabbed one for me and my friend, and I love it. It's so pretty. It's so metallic and champagne and soft. It's a great shadow. So I'm glad I got this. Sticking to my nail polish issue, I got this nail polish set. It's Keep It Tonal by Nails Inc. And they're just beautiful nudes. I haven't played with it yet, but I love it. I also got this Nail Kale Strengthening Base Coat. I really want to make sure that I'm keeping my nails nice and healthy and strong. And this had a lot of really great reviews, so I'm excited to try that. And then I also picked up this 07 Plumping Gloss from Sephora Collection. I love their plumping glosses. I think that they do exactly that. They give you just a light plumping effect. It doesn't wear all day, but you know, it's very comfortable. It's not like very irritating on the lips, and they came out with new colors. I really love this one. And again, that's 07. And what I'm avoiding to tell you guys got 2 more lipsticks. I have Queen Christina, which is the shade that I have on now. And this I bought also for my friend for Mother's Day. It's a beautiful corally orange shade. And the next shade I got is Ruby Firelight. And it's also a coral shade, but this is more of like your muted orange coral. Let me show you guys what they look like. This is Queen Christina and this is Ruby Firelight. I love me a good coral, what can I say? Alright guys, and I purchased some items for my friend for Mother's Day from Charlotte Tilbury, and I picked up some lipsticks that I had in my cart. So the first one is Stoned Rose. This shade is a peachy brown, but almost like a spice, to be honest with you. The Duchess. These are all shades I've had in my wish list for some time. And the last shade I got is Love Liberty. And this is part of the matte. With that purchase, I also got a collagen lip bath, and this one is in, I don't know what shade this is. It's the peach shade. I think it's peachy something. And this actually I got for free. I didn't even buy this. So I was really excited. I've always wanted to try these. And I've just never really bitten the bullet, but I got it for free, and I thought it was going to be like a deluxe size, but it's a full size. So I picked up 2 items from MAC. I got this MAC Fix Plus Magic Radiance Spray. I've used this. It is very much hydrating. It feels like a very light spritz of moisturizer, but it really does help with making your skin look and feel hydrated, and it looks great when you apply a very matte foundation that can enhance any dryness or texture. This is fantastic. And I got a Selena product. So they came out with another collection for Selena. This was for her 25th year anniversary, and I wanted to get something with the packaging with the bustier. So this is super, super cute. It has a mirror. It has her picture, and then this is a highlighter. It is so pretty. I actually have it on today. Just a really pretty gold highlighter, but I did just want to get something because I am a Selena fan. I placed my first order with M Cosmetics. I'd never gotten anything from them, but I kept hearing great things about this little guy. This is Morning Dew. It's a clear gloss, and this is what her packaging looks like. If you guys don't know, Michelle Phan owns M Cosmetics, and it's just a clear gloss. It smells really nice. It has just like a light sweet scent to it, almost like sugar water. It's super, super light, but this formula is so beautiful. It's very thin, very hydrating. It's a gloss, so it's not gonna wear all day, but it is really beautiful. It gives you this really glossy finish without giving you the goopy finish. Great. I also, this is again her packaging for some of her products. I picked up, what is this called? Lip Cushion Tinted Lip Luminizer, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's just a really pretty soft beigey pink, and I have been using this. Again, this is just like a tinted lip balm, and it is so beautiful. It is very hydrating, it's comfortable, and it's just a quick, easy, you know, pop of color on the lip. But again, it's a nude, so it's not like you're going to get like this really intense finish. So I have to say I have enjoyed her products. And the final item I picked up was her brow product. Her tinted brow gel. So the reason why I got this is it has this really fine, tiny little brush. It reminds me of the Tarte brow product that they had back in the day. I don't know if they still make it. It's the Maracuja brow gel. So I picked this up because I wanted to get a brow gel that was a little bit darker than my Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. This one is called Espresso, and it is a dark brown, but it leans more of like a cool tone brown versus a warm. And I wanted to get something that was pretty close to black because I wanted to be able to emphasize the hair in my brow, just to, again, give me more of a natural brow finish. And I'm still using the Patrick Ta brow wax. Let me just show you guys. I am literally using this. So after I use this, I'll let it dry and then I'll go in with a brow gel just to enhance, again, the brow product. So the Patrick Ta brow gel is nice, or brow wax is nice because it adds definition, it adds texture to my hair, but it can also wash away some of the color or blend away some of the color that I deposit onto my brows so that it looks like I have brows. So I do like to go in with a brow gel and just kind of add that color back in definition. So this has been fantastic because the brush is so tiny. I have it on today, and as you guys can see, it really does a great job at defining the hair. So I'm really enjoying this. The last purchase I made was Hourglass. I picked up some more of their glosses. Again, I placed an order specifically for my friend and I ended up getting some stuff for me. So I picked up Dusk, which is a beautiful chocolatey brown nude color. Let me show you guys. I really like their glosses. I love the texture, I love the pigmentation. They're fantastic. I picked up Cosmic, which is just a glossy, glittery shade. It's pink and it has gold glitter. Very pretty. I picked up this color, which is really what triggered me to pick some of these up. I saw it on my Instagram. Damn you, Instagram. And it's a beautiful fuchsia pink. And then the last color I got is just a coral. And that's all I have for you guys. It is a big haul. I'm slowing it down though. I'm just slowing it down. The only thing that I'm really eyeing at this point is the Pat McGrath palette. She came out with a new pink palette, and I think I'm gonna end up selling Divine Rose to pick up the new one because I feel like that's what Divine Rose should have been like. I'm not really happy with Divine Rose. Part of me wants to keep it just for the purpose of collecting it, but I look at it and I'm like, ugh, it just doesn't bring me joy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you've picked up, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.